May the day delight and the moments measure all the special joys for all of you to treasure. May the year ahead be fruitful too for your home and family, and especially for you. Happy Eid Mubarak to you. Eid Mubarak to all Muslims who are celebrating Eid overseas. Remember every Muslim in your special prayers. Eid Mubarak to all. May it be a new beginning of greater prosperity, success, and happiness. May the blessing of Allah fill your life with happiness and open all the doors of success now and always. Let's forgive and forget each other's mistakes, hoping that we will meet Ramadan again next year. Happy Eid Mubarak to those who celebrate it. Let's forgive and forget. See you again next year Ramadan. May your Eid be filled with joy, gratitude and happiness. Eid Mubarak everyone, and may Allah accept Ramadan. May the magic of this Eid bring lots of happiness in your life, and may you celebrate it with all your close friends, and may it fill your heart with love. On Eid al-Fitr, wish that Allah's blessing light up the path and lead the happiness, peace and success. May the magic of this Eid al-Fitr light up your path and lead you to happiness, peace and success. O you who believe, enter absolutely into peace. Do not follow in the footsteps of Satan. He is an outright enemy to you. May on this Eid the plate of your life is filled with juicy kebabs and tikkas, topped with chutney of happiness and covered with salad of love. May Allah accept our fast and continues to shower His blessing throughout the year, in fact throughout life. Ameen. Wish you all a very happy Eid Mubarak.